In this video, I will show you how you can get more and more power points in Brawl Stars game. So in order to get more and more power points, there are certain methods. But in this video, I will show you two methods by which you can increase your power points in Brawl Stars. So one of the method is to get more and more trophies. So to get more and more trophies, I will show you. Click on this trophies road. When you click on this, here is the trophy road for you. You can see there are 1500, 200 and 300 power points here. So if you get 600 trophies, then you will get 300 power points. So this is the first method. You can get more and more trophies, and by getting more and more trophies you will get more power points. So the second method is to complete quest. So I will show you. Click on this quest section. Here, complete this quest. When you complete this quest, in reward section you can see that you can get 1500, 200 power points. Just to click on activate, and you can buy from here. So this is the second method by which you can get more power points. So this is the two basic method by which, by applying which, you can get more and more power points in Brawl Stars.